Okay, this is another update. Everything's pretty much done. I gotta get new pedals, but that might honestly have to wait because these pedals are perfectly fine. They just don't color match. And I need to buy on payday, I'm buying a new cable. Found a way to run it the original way somewhat. Got these Bucklos red adapters today. One to a 3, one 180. And then yeah, ZTTO 4-piston brakes. They're pretty good. I have an SLX lever, and they work with servo wave. On the other side, I've got a Tektro Orion 4-piston brake lever. I haven't taken them out on the trail yet. Obviously, everything's just installed today, and I live on a farm. So, yeah. Oh, and what I did was I had it run up under the frame like it's supposed to, and then instead of coming out the right side or the left side, it's coming out the right side. So it gives me a little bit more slack so I can have the cable ran, because the front cable was long enough, but the back cable wasn't.